In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Steam code. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the Steam application on your desktop, or just go ahead and head over to the Steam website using your browser. And here, go ahead and sign in to your Steam account before you can redeem codes on the platform. Once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and click on the Steam gift cards button, which you'll find at the left side of your screen. Click on this, and this will take you to the Steam gift cards section. Now, once you're on the Steam gift cards section, you'll be able to find this. So in this area, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the gift card section, where you'll be able to find the redeem a gift card button that will redirect you to the redeeming section of Steam. Now, in this section, what you'll need to do is to enter the Steam wallet code and click on the continue button to be able to successfully claim the Steam code. And that's how you can simply redeem Steam code. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.